Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome you for the mathematics lecture of class 5. Today we will do the review exercise of unit number 5. My name is Saima and I am from Girls Senior Wing Township. Dear students, we are required to minimize the function f of xy equals to 3x plus 5y, with the subject to the given constraints are x plus 3y greater than equal to 3, x plus y is greater than equal to 2, and here x and y are greater and equal to 0. Students, now the step 1 is to find the associated equations related to these given inequalities. Now we can find the associated equation by simply replace our inequality symbols with the symbol of equal sign. Students, these are the boundary lines of the inequalities. So now we have the associated equations related to these inequalities, that is L1, which is x plus 3y equals to 3, and second one L2 is equals to x plus y equals to 2. Now students, we have to find the intercept for both of these lines. In step 2, we have to find the intercepts. For first line, we will find the intercepts by putting first x equals to 0 and get the value of y equals to 1. And then we will get the then we will put y equals to 0 and get the value of x is equals to 3. Now we have to find the intercept for line L2. The equation of this line is x plus y equals to 2. Now first we will put x equals to 0, which give y is equals to 2, and then we will put y equals to 0, which give us x is equals to 2. Students, now we have 2 point P and Q. These points are for the line L2, x plus y equals to 2. Dear students, now we have to do the feasible region check. For this, we will take the test point. Test point is always the origin point at which x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Now we will take both of the inequalities, x plus 3y greater than equal to 3 and x plus y greater than equal to 2. And we will put the value of x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 in both of these inequalities. Students, now we have two statements that 0 is greater than equal to 3 and the second one is 0 is greater than equal to 2. And both of them are the false statements. So students, we will take the region that does not contain the origin. Hence, feasible region lies above both of the lines in the first quadrant because we have the constraint that x and y both are positive and greater than both are positive and greater than equal to 0. Now in step 4 students, we have to find the corner point from line L1 and L2 which lie in the first quadrant. These are the points for the L1, it is B point, which have x equals to 3 and y equals to 0. And the for second one, it is for line L2, it is point P, which is 0 and 2, and intersection. And now further, for the third point, we have to find the intersection point that is between L1 and L2. Now students, we have to find the intersecting point between both of these two lines. We have two equations, x plus 3y equals to 3 and x plus y equals to 2. Now student, by using the elimination method or by substitution method, we can solve them and get the value of x and y. After solving them, we have y is equals to 0.5 and x is equals to 1.5. So now we have another point C in the first quadrant in which x is also positive and y is also positive. So now we have 3 points, 3 corner points. We now evaluate our given function f of xy equals to 3x plus 5y at all these corner points. We have 3 corner points in first quadrant. First is B point, second is P, and the third is C. First, we will take point B and we will take x is equals to 3 and y equals to 0 and put in our given function and get the value 9. Then we will put x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2 and get the value for the function 10. After that, we will put x is equals to 1.5 and y is equals to 0.5 and get the value equals to 7. Now students, we have three values 9, 10 and 7 in the first quadrant, and from which 7 is the minimum value. So our final result is the minimum value of this function is 7 at the point 1.5 and 0.5. Dear students, now you can see the feasible region is drawn in front of you in the shape of the graph. Here, these two lines are showing L1 and L2, and these are the 3 points. Point P, 0, 2, which is the corner point for our question, and this is the point C, which is another corner point, and this one is the third corner point, that is B30. So students, here you can see that this region is the feasible region and the corner points are shown here.